Okay, this will be the final video of the bridge without cross bracing. I'm showing cross bracing here, but we're going to finish this first video without it. We'll have that in a later video. So let's get this bridge assembled and the full bridge assembly. So let's go back to our project. So here we have the by the way, you can hide that if you want, like that. Here we have the side of the bridge, and let's add a new one. Create an assembly for full bridge. Rename this full bridge. And here we go. Let's bring in some parts. So we know we're going to want the side. So there's our side. Actually, I don't want two of them, so let's bring another one in right now. And then we know we're going to need some straws, or struts, I guess we're calling them, from the Strut Part Studio. So we need, we're going to use one right now. We're going to use Replicate to replicate that. So we only need to bring one in. And that should do it. So let's go ahead and start mating things together. So we do have some mates here. Unfortunately, they're not really useful because they're in the center and we need a mate to the end. So you can just click K, hide them. All right, so let's actually, I did not name my strut. So let's just name it here in the Strut Part Studio. So it's easier to see what I'm doing. There we go, there's my strut. So we're going to connect this with our struts, which is just a straw. Okay, so fasten mate. Here we go, fasten mate. And grab the end. And we want to go to the outside. So if you see, I'm just grabbing that. Hold down Shift once you have a surface. You can make sure it locks in. And there we go. Okay. And what the heck, let's go ahead and attach the other side and then we'll replicate. So we're going to do that again. Fasten mate. We want this end. And again, Shift helps get the mate connector right there. If you're having trouble keeping it there, Shift locks it in, kind of like we did before. Boom. So incidentally, if you click this check marks, it starts a new mate. This one just finishes them all. And there we go, we've got them all. Now, Replicate is a good tool to do when you have to just do the same mating over and over again. Click on the instance. It picked that fasten mate. Now, plane, if it works, is the most effective one. It's going to find everything else with a mate in the same plane and just match it. So let's see if it works. Okay, we got that one. Yeah. We'll just have to do each one of them. It's not smart enough to know they are on the same plane, but that's good enough. There you go. Then we have a full bridge. Now I think, yeah, everything looks good here because I used fasten. Just check your straws are all the way in there. Make sure you didn't use the wrong mate. And voila, there is your finished bridge. Shift 7 is isometric view. That's this view right here. It's a nice way to look at it. Okay, this one's ready to go into Fusion for some testing. You'll do that in another video.